avocado, air fryer. That is really good. It's still warm, not smoking hot. I'm good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry and I like to buy stuff, and you found Terry Buys Stuff. Hey, if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button, ring the bell, and that way you'll be notified of more shopping fun that happens right here on this channel. So today we are going to be having fun in the kitchen, and we are going to be cooking in a 5.8 quart air fryer. The brand today is Joyous. This unit is beautiful, and I say that because they put some design features in here with this silver trim. It's not just a black box, actually it comes in white too. So I really love the design on this air fryer. You know, Terry Buys Stuff always loves a box. This is the box it came in. Came shipped from Amazon.com. Very well packed. You're gonna get the air fryer, you're gonna get instructions, you're gonna get a cookbook. But this came like that, ordered Amazon Prime, bam, bam, here it is in my kitchen. And bacon and the air fryer are like peanut butter meets jelly, is like ketchup meets mustard. Yes, this wants to cook bacon for you. So I have some Stuff House favorites that we're gonna cook up in the air fryer today, 10 minutes or less. Kind of this side of the board I would use as hors d'oeuvres if I was entertaining, but also I've cooked these as a midday snack. Just, you know, I mean, that's all it takes is I make 4 and hey, I got a heck of a snack. Okay guys, first thing we gotta do is hit that preheat. We're gonna hear the engine come up. Oh, I gave it a little shake and a little tumble. Woohoo! All right. So here we go. Oh, this looks so good. Can you hear that sizzle? Man, this looks good. Oh, these tomatoes look heavenly. So keep in mind there's a little bit of caramelizing going on the dates because it naturally caramelizes itself. And I'm going to give you the first look. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. This is hot right now. If you've been into this, you would burn your tongue, but amazing finger treats on toothpick. All right, let's take out my bacon wrapped shrimp. Looks so good. Okay, as promised, this is a unique one. Look at this. Here it is in its raw form. Bacon wrapped avocados. Okay. So I get my little bit of that bacon seasoning again, sprinkle it on, and then here's where the magic happens with the avocado, a little bit of brown sugar. So I'm coming up to the end of the bacon wrapped avocado in the Joyous. Okay, here we go. I already took the 2 little ones out. Because they were done quicker, and that's the thing. Check on your items, see how they're coming. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Oh, last little bacon there. We can rewrap that around. Wow, okay, it smells amazing. But look at that. Oh my gosh, and while it might look strange because you wouldn't think to do this, it really tastes good, I promise. So we're gonna clean up. And next is the egg bites. And we're gonna have to start tasting this delectable food made in the Joyous 5.8 air fryer. Next is my bacon wrapped tomato. And guys, I have to say, this is one of my favorites because I'm a huge fan of the BLT. I love tomatoes. This is a very good cherry tomato wrapped in bacon. It's so good. I'm getting impressed with the Joyous, getting impressed. Okay, next I'm gonna do the shrimp because I'm gonna save the date for last. So, this is when I got frozen shrimp, wrapped it in bacon, seasoning, a little bit of maple syrup. Oh wow. This you could eat hot or cold. You can actually eat this cold. It smells so good. This is lukewarm. Smells good. Tastes good. I love that. You can make a poor boy sandwich out of that. Alright. So, on the egg bites, I will check on them because, you know what, in all fairness, guys, this is my first time using the Joyous. I unboxed it, took it out of the box. I had not cooked anything in it until we started filming for this video. So far from what I'm seeing, I'm really liking the result and the smells and the appearance, so I can't wait to start diving in and checking out some of the flavorful eatings that we're gonna experience with this. Hey, if you like these videos, hit that subscribe button below, and that way ring the bell and you'll be notified of more shopping fun that happens here on this channel. I'm gonna have the link to this air fryer in the description so you can order it for yourself. It got here in no time, Amazon.com. It's just bam, as easy as that. Happy shopping, happy air frying, and we will see you on the next round. Till then, guys, bye.